we are going to learn how people will going to pay you for your advice. So hey everyone, this is Nilesh, and I'm come again with the new series, with the new book of Expert Secret series. One of the best book that I read, and now I'm going to share this book summary with you. So today is just all about introduction and what is the Expert Secret book and all those things. So expert secret, as tell that expert secret is the map that will allow you to turn your specialized knowledge, talent, and ability into a business that will work for you. This is one of the shortcut of the new rich Robert Kiyosaki. So this is the underground playbook for creating a mass movement of people who will pay for your advice. This in this book we are going to learn how people will going to pay you for your advice. In the expert secret, he will tell you have something special inside you, something you know, something you do, something you can teach. You are already an expert. You know something and you teach to other who is on beginner level, you are an expert. So you are, if you think that I don't know anything, so this is the book for you. This summary is for you. So we all have this something special inside of us, and if we use it, we can change the world. If we use it, we can change the world. When I read the line of this book, I have a goosebumps on my hand, because this the lines that I read are amazing. So in the expert secret, Russell Brunson share the steps of becoming a thought leader and building a following of people who will pay for your information. People who will pay for your information. In the expert secret book he will share. So we can literally start from zero, and by the end you will have your own profitable business. If you follow the steps, if you follow the method, and if you follow the his path, Russell Brunson's path. So if you are an employee, you can use the expert secret process to set up your business quickly. If you are a self-employed, you run a small business, you can use the expert secret process to grow your company. The business, expert business, and because expert businesses are some of the most profitable business in the world. Experts business are one of the most profitable business in the world. You all be able to take the profit from your company and become an investor. From the employed to self-employed, and self-employed to investor, it is like it is the concept of the Robert Kiyosaki. This is how you build your true wealth. So let's go to what is an expert secret. What is expert secret? The book that we discussed from expert secret is the second half of a journey you have already started. You are started your journey. I started my journey from day one of this Facebook live, and I achieved 130 days. Means I am on the second of half of my journey, or maybe second half. Let's suppose I am on the second half of my journey, but I face some kind of any point I face that I don't feel the progress, or in my path the growth, but will be a point where you can no longer progress, where you can feel that I don't get result, I am not get those thing The day one we started, we think that yeah, on the day 50 I will achieve this result, on the day 100 I will achieve this result. But the result, when you never achieve the result, you feel that my progress is no longer. So the only way to continue to grow is by helping others become like you. If you feel this line, the only way to grow is by helping others becoming like you. If you stuck, I help when I achieve 100 days. The only way to grow by helping others becoming like you. I help when I achieve 100 days. I help those who are not comfortable in front of camera, so I launch my 21 days live challenge, right? So this is the way I help my audiences. So the only way to continue is grow by helping others become like you. So this is the one line. Yes, true growth and fulfillment come from comfort, contribution to others. True growth and fulfillment is only comes from your contribution to others. When you contribute your audiences in their growth, in their fulfillment, you will be grow. When you contribute, so your message, your single message has the ability to change someone's life. Maybe you see my live video and you find something interesting, you find some one point, and it will attract you, it will hit you. So, and if you find uh, the message, the ability to change, maybe you get some changes in your life, you get motivated, you get to that I want to start something new. So the one message, the ability change your someone's life. So, and the right message at the right time in the someone's life is immeasurable. The right message at the right time is immeasurable, right? So the expert secret will help you to find your voice. Expert secret will help you to find your voice. Like I am talking in my live regularly, it has helped me to find my voice. Expert secret will also help you to find your voice and give you the confidence to become a leader, a person who leads people. It helps you to give a confidence to become a good leader. A leader is the person who helps everyone. He is not like a hunter, he is leader. So expert secret will teach you how to make the calling, this calling a career where people will pay for your advice. Expert secret will tell you that people will pay for your advice. In the expert secret we will going to learn people pay for your advice. So what else the thing? So yeah, so Zig Ziglar once said, you will get all you want if in life if you help enough others. People get what they want. You will get all you want in life if you help enough people get what they want. With that, the introduction of this expert secret series is and we started from tomorrow with the secret one or the chapter one of this book. So stay tuned with this book, and is the day we are going to discuss so many things about the expert secret series, and the one of the best book I learned and I going to share with you. So stay tuned with me. Thank you so much.